have the high ground!
Hello, it's me, Anakin, and I'm here on the Intelteller channel to show you how to create a lightsaber effect. First, open your DaVinci Resolve. Then open your project and select the high ground scene to begin adding an effect. So essentially, we will be creating a lightsaber frame by frame using only a few elements in Fusion: background, glow, blur, and the polygon tool. Don't worry if you're new to working in Fusion, it's user-friendly and yields excellent results. All you need is the mindset of a Jedi and the courage to embrace the process. Now we are going to select the last input effect and click the button Merge to apply effects. Next, we need to create our lightsaber by adding a background node. Open the Select Tool menu and insert the background. Set the color of the lightsaber to white. It must always be white for now, as I will adjust the color later using the glow effect. After connecting the background node to the merge node, you will notice that everything turns white, like the color of Palpatine's hair or the gleaming new armor of the clone army. This is because we need to create a mask for our lightsaber. To give shape to our lightsaber and create a mask, we will be using the polygon tool, making sure to adjust it for every frame of our video. What we need to do is position just 4 points to replicate the shape of a lightsaber, and then adjust the curves of the edges. This process should be repeated for each frame. Keep a close eye on my actions as I precisely adjust the curves to cover Obi-Wan's lightsaber entirely. It's quite ironic that I'm undertaking this task, considering it will be used to simulate an attack on my own body. I also recommend that you unlink the background node from the merge mode to have a clearer view of the process. Let me demonstrate how to create the desired lightsaber effect. Begin by adding a glow effect from the Select Tool menu and choose the color you want your lightsaber to be. In this case, I'll select blue to match Obi-Wan's lightsaber. Keep in mind that there are multiple settings available to adjust the glow effect. I encourage you to either follow along or feel free to explore the settings on your own, as it ultimately depends on your personal preference. Now, as you can observe, our lightsaber appears quite sharp. To make it look more natural, we need to add a blur effect. I've selected Gaussian blur for this purpose. You can either replicate my settings or adjust them based on your own preferences. Now, you can observe a short time lapse of the process. It may appear tedious, but it's crucial to understand that this is an inherent part of the workflow, and patience is necessary. Unfortunately, the tracking tools available are not functioning optimally, so this manual approach is the best method to work with. I've also included swing effects to simulate the dynamic movement of the lightsaber. While it's not essential, you have the option to follow my lead and replicate these effects if you wish. Now let's take a look at the final result. I must admit it's quite disrespectful of Intelteller to have me guide you through the process of creating a lightsaber for Obi-Wan, which will ultimately be used against me. But well, let's proceed anyway.
It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground!
Well, I must say, we have achieved a kick-ass effect. As you can see, it's neither easy nor hard, it's just a normal part of the process. While there are numerous methods to create lightsabers out there, I believe this one is among the best and doesn't require any additional plugins. It's a versatile approach that yields impressive results. Now you have a glimpse of why it takes Intelteller so long to create animations. With thousands of frames and extensive work on special effects like lightsabers, particles, backgrounds, mouth animation, and more, it becomes a complex and time-consuming endeavor. The completion of the duel on Mustafar is currently at 40%, and there's still a lot of work to be done. I encourage you to stay connected with us, subscribe, like, and share this video if you enjoyed it. You can expect to hear from me again soon. This was Anakin with you, and may the Force be with you.